Looking for the perfect blend of style and utility for your truck? This soft Trifold tonneau cover is a top-tier choice, offering superior cargo protection without sacrificing aesthetics. While we're installing it here on a Chevrolet Silverado, this popular Trifold design is custom fit and readily available for virtually every major truck model, including the Ford F-150, Ram, Toyota Tundra, GMC Sierra, and more. The first thing you notice is the quality. The robust aluminum rails and durable vinyl are built to last. Best of all, installation is a breeze. It's completely non-drill, securing firmly to your bed with quick-release clamps. These clamps lock the side rails tight, ensuring a perfect seal against moisture and road debris. Once placed, the panel system uses integrated front security latches, creating a rock-solid anchor point. The real convenience is the operation. It unfolds smoothly and stretches taut across the bed, and when you need full access, simply fold the cover back twice and secure it with the heavy-duty straps. You get nearly 100% bed access in seconds. True versatility. In conclusion, this soft trifold cover delivers on every front. Exceptional protection, quick installation, and a refined look that completes any truck.